This is coming from allears.net. We're over to one of Jamie's articles, and new Disney World app update will change how you use the mobile order. I imagine if this is happening there, normally we get ours either around the same time or a month or two later. So a brand new update is rolling out to Disney World My Disney Experience app. This new update to the iOS version of the app will allow iPhone users to take advantage of the Apple's latest activities with dynamic island features when using the mobile order feature at the resort.
Oh, it's about time.
Right. When an order is made through the app, as usual, live activity on your iPhone's lock screen, as well as the tracker on the top of your screen, dynamic island for iPhone users, will activate, allowing you to track the mobile order status without reopening the app. We were able to update our app as soon as possible and give the new feature a test run while we were strolling around Epcot. As soon as we made our mobile order, the live activity popped up on our lock screen, along with a yes or no prompt asking if we would allow activities from Disney World. Sorry, my nose is itchy. Once we selected yes, the prompt disappeared, but the live activity remained. It also featured a clickable button that allowed us to alert us the dining location when we arrived. I like that.
Yeah.
Like your order number is easy to find. That's quick and easy.
Yep.
Tracking of our mobile order also appeared on the dynamic island. Again, why has this taken so long? Once we arrived at the Regal Eagles Smokehouse in the American Adventure Pavilion, we clicked the button without even opening the app and still received our meal. Our order was... I don't care what your order was. I'm sorry. A brand new update in the Walt Disney World app allows iOS users to take advantage of the... That's just going back over it. So cool. About time.
Yeah.
All honesty, something that simple, I imagine it's probably going to be rolled out over here, if not already. It has been done.
Yeah. Let me check. Grab my phone.
You'd have to order food right now.
Well, there would be an update on the App Store.
Oh, that's fair. That's fair.